Hello everyone! Welcome to AI Insights Hub. I'm SAMZ, and today we'll explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content creation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, AI can help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive in and uncover the magic of AI-powered content creation. What is AI? So what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines that can simulate human intelligence. They can learn, think, and make decisions just like we do. When it comes to content creation, AI can generate written text, create visuals, edit videos, and even provide insights on what works best for your audience. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. AI in content creation. How does AI impact content creation? Let's break it down. Writing. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate blogs, articles, and even scripts like the one I'm using right now. Visuals. AI tools can design logos, create images, and even edit videos automatically. Video editing. With AI-powered software, editing a video is faster than ever. You can cut, trim, and enhance your videos in minutes. Analytics. AI analyzes your audience's behavior and suggests the best type of content to create. This way, your work becomes more effective. Why use AI? Now, why should you use AI in your content creation? The answer is simple. It saves time and boosts creativity. Here are some benefits. Efficiency. AI tools can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creativity. Cost-effective. Most AI tools are either free or very affordable, making them accessible for everyone. Enhanced creativity. AI can give you fresh ideas and unique angles you may not have thought of yourself. Personalization. AI helps tailor content specifically for your target audience, making it more engaging. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, AI is transforming the way we create content. It's a powerful tool for boosting productivity and unleashing creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore using AI for writing blog posts. This is SAMZ, and I'll see you in the next video.